All right, welcome to SC Custom Designs. In the first video, basically, I showed you that I took a pencil and I did this. Let's do that again. And why do you do that? Because when you're sanding, you want to know that you're sanding this side and this side evenly. Now, you can see on this side, most of the pencil marks are gone, and a lot of these pencil marks are still there, which means I need to go ahead and sand again. So what are we looking at? These are the left side of the table, the right side of the table. Look at the previous video series for restoring the antique table, dining room table, and chairs, and you'll catch up. I had to join all these pieces back together because whoever stored this in a garage for who knows how long damaged the unit. So I'm restoring the unit, bringing back its previous beauty, and my daughter will go ahead and stain this and poly it, but my job is to restore it. So that's what I've done. But so this tip, if you've never heard of it, you take a pencil and you do this. And when you sand, it's going to basically do the thinking for you. I'm going to come down. I'm going to sand right down the middle. Let's look at this live. Here we go. Go ahead and pause that. So you could see when I was sanding, this is becoming flatter and more even, but I still have a ways to go. So I could trust my instincts and say, you know what, I'm just going to sand these two parts flat. But the pencil marks tell all. It says, you know what, oh man, I need to sand more off of this. So what I'll do is I'll take my pencil, which is now on the floor now, and I'll do it again. Let's give it another go. All right, my friends, this is now flush. Got a little bit more to go there, but you can see that this is now flush. Pencil marks, gone, gone. Pencil marks, almost gone. Still pretty prominent. Please let me know if you like what you see. This is a trick. I learned this out of Israel in 1978 when I moved there. He went to Chavatano Atzioni. It's a place where they teach you trades. One of them was woodworking. Thanks for watching. It's these custom designs. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. I love getting back on comments. Thank you. Shalom uvracha. Masalami. Tutsens. Tzajen. Arrivederci. Au revoir. Stay safe in the shop.